Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BTS's BT21 Baby Tata. So let's get started. To draw cute Tata, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'll come right across and draw another circle about this much. So not too wide. Let's come back in here. I'm going to put a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. So same thing over here. There. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye, and I'm going to draw a slight straight line. Come right across and do the same thing on the other side. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come right underneath the eyes and we're going to draw the mouth area. So it's just going to be a big oval. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve right in the center and create this oval for the mouth. And connect. Nice little round oval. And then I'm going to come in the center and just draw a straight line. Right in the center. There. Okay, so then from there we're going to have to draw the heart head, right? So I'm going to come to the bottom and find my center. So right here, and I'll just say about this much. I'm going to make this heart pretty big. So I'll just say about right here. Give myself a point, then I'm going to drag this point right to the top and pretty high up. I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself 2 points. From there, that's where I'm going to start to draw the heart. So I'm going to come right here and draw a nice big wide heart. So nice and round. And bring it around. And I'm aiming back to this point right here. So as I come down to that point, I'm not going to make it very sharp. It's going to be nice and soft and round. So get to this point. And so let's do the same thing on the other side. I'll just drag this point across, so approximate. Same height. And I'll just take a step back. Try my best to make it about the same on the other side. And bring it back to that point right there. There, nice and wide. And soft at the bottom. There, so we have our heart in. I'll just come back in here now that I kind of know where my heart is. I'll just make my line a little bit better. Okay, so then from there he has these cheeks that we'll draw in later when we color. Let's draw his body. So right in the center, once again, you just give myself a point, and from here I'm going to draw this kind of leaf shape right here. For the ends of his cape where it ties off. And then I'm going to come to the sides about right here and here, nice and center, and I'm going to draw a straight line down. And we're going to start to draw his body. Before I finish this line, I'm going to come back, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center so I know where I'm going, and I'm going to bring this around, come down here with a line and connect. So not too tall, just short little body. And connect for the feet. Nice and round at the bottom. And then for the arms, we're just going to come about right here. And pop out curve and in. So same thing on the other side. About right here. Pop out a curve, and I'm just going to make sure I'm in the same area. And in. Now to draw the back for his cape, so I'm going to come right here and just pop out this slight curve, round off the tip and curve it in. So same thing right here. So I just want to make sure this is at the same level. And once again, connect right there. And that is pretty much it for Tata here. And so now I'm just going to use some colored pencils and your basic Crayola markers to color him in. So they're all done. I really hope you love how baby Tata turned out from BT21 and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.